Hey peeps, I did this Christmas inspired look for you guys and I hope that you like it. This was a requested video from my Instagram, so make sure you follow me on Instagram, AmberCharmayne on everything. These are some Azaretto lashes in Goddess, so make sure you check out them and use my code AmberMUA10 for 10% off, and some of the proceeds go to cancer research. So make sure you keep on watching to see how I achieved this Christmas look. Hey peeps, so as you can see, I'm going into the MAC palette that I have. That is the color My Kid Could Make That, and it is a matte lime green, so I thought that would be a nice transition. So we're just going to make sure that is all nice and blended, and that is coming from the MAC Art Library It's Designer palette by MAC. And then I'm going into a Makeup Revolution palette. It is the Reloaded Marvelous Mattes, and that is the number 8 green. It's right in the middle of that palette. And I chose green because I wanted to do something a little different, and I also wanted to do something a little bit simple. So we have the color Buzo in the Magic Mini by Juvia's Place palette, and that's a nice like hunter green shimmer color, so I thought that would be really good for the lid, and I just put that all over. And now I just apply the glue with my finger. I am using Duo lash glue, so nothing too extravagant. I just use my finger because I want it to hurry up. And then I mixed 3 glitters and 1 pigment. The glitters are from Fluttered by Ro, and I just used like a really nice deep green. There was a kind of lime green color, and then there was this color that looked green, but it was just like the way it reflected. It was actually a couple like pinky colors in there, but they still reflected a lot of green colors, so I mixed that in as well. And then I used the J La Rue pigment, which is their white gold. And this could be a good New Year's look as well. All you would want to do is exclude the liner that you will see later. And then I'm just giving y'all a look of what that eye ended up looking like. Cute, cute. And then I go in for the liner to make this a little bit more festive. To create this little red color, I did go back into the Makeup Revolution Reloaded palette, and that's the number 4 red color that's in that palette on the top row. I mixed that red with the Makeup Revolution Cut Crease Canvas in the color Halo to make sure we get a pigmented red. It still was a little pink, but it was okay because I was still going to cover it with a red glitter, which was also from Fluttered by Ro. It wasn't too finely milled, but it also wasn't super big either. Yes! Okay, and do you see the sparkle? Period, poo. Stop playing. Okay, and I skipped the foundation part just because I do that in every video, so if you want to see me apply foundation, you definitely can look at another video if you would like, and I would truly appreciate that. But we moved on to the LA Girl concealer in Toffee, as I always use, and blending out with a beauty blender. And what you see me putting on is the Morphe setting powder in Banana, and of course, is it a video without me being silly? Of course not. And then I just dust it off. I did let this like sit longer than usual, but then I just need to blend out those edges and make sure those are not harsh. And then of course I go in with the contour kit from Black Radiance in Dark Deep, and I use the middle shade. And then that is Raisin by MAC, which is more of a deep red color, just to make it more festive as well and bring that color back to the face. And then I do have the Anastasia Sun Dipped Glow Kit, and I use Tourmaline, if I'm saying that correctly. And then we just pull that up into the temples, and you know how to do a little check real quick. And then I go back into the Makeup Revolution palette to use that number 4 color, which is red, and put that on the lower lash line. I didn't go OD with it because I really didn't want to do too much. And then I went back into the Magic Mini palette to use that gold color, which is called Nubia. And then for mascara, I'm using the Too Faced Tutti Frutti line mascara, and I do that on the bottom lashes as well. And of course, I already have on my Azretto lashes in the style Goddess, so make sure you check out their website and use my code AmberMUA10 for 10% off. And then the last thing is lipstick, and I use the Ruby Woo lipstick by MAC. And here is the finished look, y'all. Let me know if you love it by giving this video a thumbs up, and share this video for anybody that loves tutorials.